Hi guys, I'm Ayushi, your mentor for law entrance exams, and welcome to Law Digest. Let's start with this video where we are going to cover legal current affairs for the month of August 2020. So देखते हैं first question, who has been appointed as the LG of Jammu and Kashmir. नाउ यू मस्ट बी अवेयर कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का बाइफिकेशन हो गया है. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एक यूनियन टेरिटरी बन गई है, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड लद्दाख. सो ऑब्वियसली सिंस इट इज़ अ यूनियन टेरिटरी, इट इज़ गवर्न थ्रू एन LG, थ्रू अ लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर. एंड हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर फॉर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर प्रेजेंटली, इट इज़ मनोज सिन्हा. ऑप्शन C is the correct answer here. The next question is, who appointed the next LG of Jammu and Kashmir? Now Jammu and Kashmir is a UT. As we discussed, it is governed through a lieutenant governor. This is also a static GK based question, static legal GK, to ask you that union territories में जो LG appoint होता है वो कौन करता है. Now it is the president who appoints the LG, because the constitution says that the president will govern the union territories. He will look after the union territories through the lieutenant governor appointed by him for such duties. So it is the president who appoints the lieutenant governor. There have been recent controversy with respect to the LG of Delhi. Let me know in the comment box below that who is presently the LG of Delhi. Next is who has been appointed as the 14th CAG of India. 14th CAG meaning Comptroller and Auditor General, एक constitutional body है. Constitutional body जो ये appoint हुई है, he is the 14th body. And who is the present CAG? It is option C, that is Girish Chandra Murmu. Now Girish Chandra Murmu was initially the LG of Jammu and Kashmir. So he has resigned from that post and now he has become the CAG of India. Then who has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC? The correct answer here is Anand Kumar Yadav. He has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC. Next, Supreme Court rules that the daughters have equal heirship rights in the joint Hindu family. ये कौन से केस में आया है? पहले क्या पोजीशन थी? पहले द पोजीशन वाज दैट डॉटर्स जो हैं उनको कोपार्सनरी प्रॉपर्टी में, जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली प्रॉपर्टी में शेयर नहीं मिलता था. इट वाज ओनली द सन्स हु यूज्ड टू गेट दैट शेयर. बट आफ्टर द 2005 अमेंडमेंट टू द हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट, daughters were also entitled to equal property. Now this equal share was further reaffirmed in the case of Vinita Sharma versus Rakesh Sharma. यहाँ पर facts थोड़े different थे. I have already uploaded a video of my August current affairs, legal current affairs. You can go and check there. You can study this case in detail. If you are a part of our legal current affairs course, then obviously everything is given to you in that course. Option B is the correct answer here. Then next is who was held guilty of contempt of the Honorable Supreme Court with a fine of ₹1. रिसेंटली लास्ट ईयर जो ₹1 का फाइन लगा था, हम काफ़ी बार कवर कर चुके हैं. आई हैव अनदर वीडियो ऑफ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट हैपनिंग्स ऑफ 2020-2021. इफ यू हैवंट चेक, गो टू द प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन, चेक दैट. And so the answer to this one is option A, that is Prashant Bhushan. He was held guilty of contempt of court for the tweets he made on Twitter with respect to the Honorable Supreme Court. Next, who headed the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology that analyzed the draft of DNA Technology Regulation Bill? So ये जो बिल था 2019 का, ये एनालाइज किया गया है बाय पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमिटी. इसका जो ड्राफ्ट है वो एनालाइज किया गया है. इन इस कमिटी के जो हेड थे वो थे ऑप्शन C, that is जयराम रमेश. नाउ हियर ऑल्सो प्रशांत भूषण इज गिवन. समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स इज दैट जल्दी जल्दी में कन्फ्यूजन में लोग सोचते हैं कि अच्छा प्रशांत भूषण का नाम हमने कहीं तो पढ़ा है, एंड यू नो दे गो अहेड विद इट. बट बी वेरी केयरफुल विद सच क्वेश्चंस एंड सच ऑप्शंस. The next is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, IBBI, has notified which of the following rules and regulations? Voluntary liquidation process, second amendment, then third amendment regulation and fourth amendment regulation. So the correct answer to this one is all of the above. All of these have been notified by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. In the legal current affairs course, it has already been covered. You can just in brief study what these regulations are about. Current affairs module may be already covered hai. Next, a commission constituted to probe the alleged encounter of UP gangster विकास दुबे. So a commission was constituted कि विकास दुबे का जो encounter हुआ है उसमें देखा जाए कि वो सही है या नहीं. And who headed this committee? This committee was headed by Justice N.V. Ramana, Arun Kumar Mishra, Justice retired B.S. Chauhan, or all of the above. Now the correct answer to this one is option C, that is Justice retired B.S. Chauhan. Normally what happens is that when these committees and commissions are appointed, they are mostly headed by a retired judge and not by the active judge. N.V. Ramana, as you know, has been appointed as the Chief Justice of India in April, and Arun Kumar Mishra has also been appointed as the chairman to one of the bodies. Now, which body is this to which he has been appointed as the chairman? Do let me know in the comment section below. I had put up this in my community post as well as on Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, then please do the same. We come out with very interesting legal content on our Instagram page, so don't forget to follow that. Do not miss out on things that are happening there. देन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ये जो हरि कृष्ण मंदिर ट्रस्ट वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र का केस है, इसने किस राइट को क्लासिफाई करा है एज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट? राइट टू वोट, राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी या राइट टू प्राइवेसी? अब एलिमिनेशन से चलें तो राइट टू प्राइवेसी कैन नॉट बी, बिकॉज राइट टू प्राइवेसी इज अ फंडामेंटल राइट. Then moving forward, right to vote is already a constitutional right, but it has not been classified under this particular case that happened, the ruling that came in August 2020. It is the right to property that has been held. It was said that even though right to property is not a fundamental right, but then in any case it is a constitutional right under Article 300A of the Constitution, which says that state cannot deprive any person of his property except by the authority of law. तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लियरली प्रोवाइड करता है कि स्टेट एक इंसान को उसकी प्रॉपर्टी से डिप्राइव नहीं कर सकती है एक्सेप्ट अगर कोई लॉ इन प्लेस है ऐसे मैटर्स में. तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट बेसिकली वो राइट होता है दैट कम्स आउट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. लीगल राइट इज समथिंग दैट इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ एन एक्ट और अ स्टैट्यूट. फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर ऑब्वियसली दोज दैट आर गिवन इन पार्ट 3 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो ये डिफरेंसेस है इनके बीच में. इन इंडिविजुअल राइट्स पे मेरी इंडिविजुअल वीडियोस हैं, यू कैन गो एंड चेक दोज वीडियोस टू हैव अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑन दिस concept. With this we come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel as yet, then please do the same. Do let me know the answers of the questions that I have asked you in the comment box below, and also in case you have any further queries or doubts, please feel free to mention the same in the comment box.